Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I like to do crafts for kids here at the Forestville branch. Every month we have a grab and go craft. And also I like to demo them for you so that you can make your own crafts at home with your children. This particular springtime craft that I'm bringing to you is an April craft. And I got my idea here. He looks like this, and it is a chick. So you start out with half of a paper plate, and I use the little ones. I guess you could make a bigger version if you were making your own pattern, but I just use the little paper plates, and it's just a simple white, inexpensive paper plate, and you cut it to look like a jagged shell because our little chick is breaking out. And that's what we have here is a chick that's been born. And you're going to need to cut out 2 little feet like this. And 2, I gave him hands. Not that chicks have hands, but this little guy does. We're going to give our chick 2 hands. And then he has a little beak and some eyes. And I used this little straw type yarn. I think it's called eyelash yarn. That's what I had, but you can use regular yarn. And that just represents straw. So you have a springtime chick breaking out of his shell here, and he's covered in straw because he's probably in a barn somewhere. So in the mouth, I cut it so that it opens and closes like this. So it's just a shape that looks like this. So, happy crafting. I hope you like this craft. Springtime chick. Enjoy. Happy crafting and happy April. Bye.